Imagine waking up one day and finding out you're not 100% human, that somewhere deep in your DNA lurks the genetic fingerprint of another species, not aliens, not monsters, but Neanderthals. And chances are, if you're of non-African descent, you've got between 1% and 2% of their DNA inside you. But what does that mean? Why does it matter? Today, we explore the bizarre, hidden legacy of the Neanderthals inside you. Neanderthals were not our ancestors. They were our cousins. Homo neanderthalensis evolved in Europe and parts of Asia around 400,000 years ago. Shorter, stockier, and better adapted to cold climates, they were brilliant survivors, creating tools, burying their dead, and even making art. But around 60,000 years ago, they met as Homo sapiens, migrating out of Africa. And something unexpected happened. They didn't just fight, they mated. For decades, scientists assumed modern humans replaced Neanderthals. But with the sequencing of the Neanderthal genome in 2010 and 2010, a bombshell dropped. Most non-African people today have Neanderthal DNA. This means interbreeding wasn't just an accident, it happened repeatedly. These were complex social encounters that left behind a permanent biological footprint. And you carry it with you in your skin, your brain, even your immune system. Here's where it gets crazy. Scientists have now linked Neanderthal DNA to real, measurable traits in modern people. Skin and hair. Some genes helped ancient humans adapt to UV exposure and cold weather. Immune system. Neanderthal DNA gave us resistance to some viruses, but also higher risks for allergies and autoimmune diseases. Sleep patterns. Night owl or early bird. That could be your inner Neanderthal clock. Pain sensitivity. Some carry a Neanderthal gene that increases pain perception. Mood and mental health. There are even links to depression, nicotine addiction, and how we process emotions. These aren't just fun facts. They're evolution's fingerprints, still etched in your cells. Not all genetic gifts are blessings. In fact, some Neanderthal genes might harm us today. Type 2 diabetes, lupus, and Crohn's disease have all been linked to these ancient genes. One of the most shocking discoveries came during the COVID-19 pandemic. Researchers found a Neanderthal gene cluster that increased the risk of severe COVID-19. Evolution is messy. What helped your Ice Age ancestors fight a virus might now make you vulnerable in the 21st century. Knowing you carry Neanderthal DNA changes something. It redefines what it means to be human. We're not pure, we never were. We are a mosaic of ancient encounters shaped by survival, migration, and even love across species lines. Some of those Neanderthals died in the snow. Others live on in you. So the next time you feel a little strange, a little wild, remember, maybe it's just your inner Neanderthal waking up. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe to discover more hidden truths buried in your blood. Because history is in your DNA.